Welcome to Meditation Mind Freedom, where we explore various frequencies and tools for a healthier, calmer, and more mindful life. Today, we're diving into the world of Transcendental Meditation, or TM, one of the most widely practiced and scientifically studied forms of meditation in the world. But what exactly is it? Why are celebrities, CEOs, and even doctors recommending it? And more importantly, what does science say about its benefits? Let's find out. What is Transcendental Meditation? Transcendental Meditation is a simple, natural, and effortless technique that you practice for 20 minutes twice a day, sitting comfortably with your eyes closed. Unlike mindfulness or concentration-based meditation, TM doesn't require you to focus, concentrate, or try to clear your mind. Instead, it uses the silent repetition of a personalized mantra, a word or sound, that allows the mind to settle inward. With no effort, the mind transcends active thought and slips into a state of restful awareness, a profound form of inner stillness. TM was popularized in the West in the 1960s by Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, and has since been taught to over 10 million people worldwide. Now let's talk science. Over the past 50 years, hundreds of peer-reviewed studies, published in journals like the American Journal of Cardiology, Psychosomatic Medicine, and Hypertension, have explored the effects of TM on mental and physical health. Let's look at some key findings. Transcendental meditation and lower blood pressure. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a silent killer affecting over 1 billion people globally. A groundbreaking study published in the journal Hypertension in 2007 by Dr. Robert Schneider and colleagues found that people who practiced TM regularly saw a significant reduction in blood pressure, comparable to some antihypertensive medications. In fact, the American Heart Association in 2013 released a statement that Transcendental Meditation is the only meditation practice shown to lower blood pressure with strong scientific evidence. Transcendental Meditation works by reducing stress hormones like cortisol and relaxing the nervous system, which helps dilate blood vessels and ease cardiovascular strain. In a 2014 meta-analysis published in Military Medicine, researchers studied veterans with PTSD. After practicing TM for just 8 weeks, participants experienced a significant reduction in symptoms, including anxiety, depression, and insomnia. Brain scans even showed reduced activity in the amygdala, the brain's fear center. And in everyday life, people who meditate with TM often report feeling calmer, more focused, and more resilient under pressure. Take this example, employees at a Fortune 100 company who practiced TM showed lower stress levels, less absenteeism, and improved job performance after just 3 months of practice. Research at Harvard Medical School and the Maharishi University of Management has shown that TM can increase coherence in brainwave activity, especially in the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for decision-making, emotional regulation, and executive function. EEG scans reveal that during TM, the brain enters a unique state where the alpha waves, associated with relaxed alertness, become more synchronized. This leads to improved memory, creativity, and cognitive flexibility. Let's look at some real-world examples. Oprah Winfrey introduced TM to her entire staff, describing it as a gift that boosted their creativity and productivity. David Lynch, the acclaimed filmmaker, has funded TM programs in schools, prisons, and homeless shelters through the David Lynch Foundation. In under-resourced schools, students practicing TM showed higher test scores, better attendance, and fewer disciplinary issues. In the prison system, TM has been linked to reduced aggression and recidivism rates. And for busy professionals, many say it's the one thing that helps them feel centered, recharged, and mentally clear, even in the middle of a hectic day. Unlike some meditation styles, TM is typically taught by certified instructors over 4 consecutive days. Each person is given a personal mantra, chosen based on age and other factors, and trained in how to use it effortlessly. While there is a cost to learning TM, many organizations and schools offer scholarships or subsidized programs to make it more accessible. Final thoughts. Transcendental meditation is more than a trend, it's a scientifically backed, time-tested technique for accessing deep rest, reducing stress, and enhancing mental clarity. In a world filled with constant noise and pressure, TM offers a path back to silence, stillness, and balance. Whether you're a student, a parent, a professional, or someone just looking for peace, TM can help you tap into a reservoir of calm that's always been within you. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, overworked, or just curious, maybe it's time to try sitting still and transcending. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more science-backed tips on health, wellness, and mindfulness. Have you ever tried transcendental meditation? Let us know in the comments below.